Okay, this banana I'm actually going to pop right here towards the front. So it's not going to be quite as heavy as some of the others. I'll just kind of pop that one right there. Okay. This one I want to end up putting it kind of like this, but I need another piece of fruit behind it there. So, what shall I make? How about a pear? So this is, the color that I use for the pear is Electric Green by Americolor. That's probably more than I need. Okay, so we'll just kind of knead this up. And try to start with a ball. See right here, I haven't kneaded that, I guess, enough there. Guess I didn't mix that color in well. Okay. Now, if you're somewhere where the fondant wouldn't hold up like this, you could add Tylose powder to your fondant. What it is, it's an ingredient that you use for gum paste, and that'll firm up your fondant. Okay, so the pear, we're going to drop our hands right about here and just kind of roll like this, and then put our hands this shape, and voila, instant pear. Okay. We can put, hopefully these cloves are big enough. Usually use them in smaller fruits, but I think we can get away with it in this. Okay, like that. And then of course we need to color it. Okay, now a lot of times the pears have a little yellow on them. So we'll just kind of dust here and there with the yellow. And then we need a green. This is a lime green, and it's a petal dust. And then they usually have the little spots on them. So this is actually a bottle brush. Let me see if this works. Kind of just wet it a little bit. Oh yeah, makes those little tiny, pears have the little, that's a little dark. I think it all looks a little dark actually. So I'm just going back over with a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so pop this, like over here, and then we can put our banana. Alright, I'm going to take another orange and kind of pop it back there. Maybe I'll do an apple actually.